Hey, listen, I love that we've moved away from opinions and prejudices and nudges and hunches regarding how students are doing in student achievement. I'm really excited about that. I love how we've transitioned from that a feeling about a student to being data driven about a student. But there is a dark side of data if we're not conscious. And I'm going to sum it up this way. In fact, I heard this uttered by one of my colleagues, Sharon Kramer, when she implored her audience to teach the student, not the label. All too often, data leads to labels that stick like tattoos. And then we end up teaching the label and not looking for the strengths and gifts in the student. So while we remain data-driven, let's keep it in perspective. In the end, we're teaching the student, not the label. Start with the crown.